I've been doing a lot of reading lately, and I read a report recently from McKinsey, the global consulting firm, about emerging themes. And one of the things that I thought about was, are we asking the right questions? As we come out of a COVID-19 lockdown sort of period, or in some locations you may actually still be in it, there's an element of risk and a need for resilience. As we come out, we need to have hope for the future. We need to consider this to be a time of aspiration. We're about to step into an unknown like we've never faced before, and we need to prepare for what people call the new normal. It doesn't really matter what you call it, it's just whatever comes next. We need to explore the new issues and challenges that are facing us in business and in life in general, and be open to exploring and innovating solutions to address them. So my message is, the moral of the story isn't that we need to have the answers right now. Rather, we need to start thinking about asking ourselves some better questions so we're prepared to be better as we move forward into whatever our new normal looks like.